So do you also wish to optimize your video scripts automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to optimize video scripts with AI agents via Pabbly. So as a content creator, I need to write video scripts a lot. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new file, that means a new video script on my Google Drive folder, then automatically OpenAI should optimize that script, and after optimizing the script, automatically that should be created as a new document in my Google Docs account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Drive with OpenAI and Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically optimize your video scripts using AI agents. This will help you save time, improve script quality, and keep your content engaging. Alright, so as you all know that I create a lot of video content for my business, and writing or improving scripts manually every time can be tiring and time consuming. So to save time and make my videos more engaging, I started using AI agents to automatically optimize my video script. With the help of Pabbly, I have set up an automation where my raw script is sent to AI agent that rewrites it in a more engaging and clear way, ready for recording. So this helps me maintain consistency in tone, save hours of editing, and ensures my content keeps my audience hooked and interested. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Google Drive where I've created a folder with the name video scripts. And now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new video script in my Google Drive folder over here, then automatically this script should be sent to OpenAI, and then OpenAI should optimize that video script, and here after optimizing the video script, automatically that version of the script should be added in my Google Docs as a new document. Alright, so now here in this video we are going to see that how you can build this automation by simply connecting your Google Drive with your OpenAI and Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here on the screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on this sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as optimize video scripts with AI agents. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. Then I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Drive, as I am uploading new video script files in Google Drive. So Google Drive is a cloud storage service where you can store your files and access them from any device. So in my Google Drive trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new file in a specific folder. So that when I'm going to upload a new file in a specific folder of my Google Drive, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, I'm going to connect my Google Drive with Pabbly Connect by simply clicking on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Drive account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the folder or the subfolder. So in this particular field, I need to select the folder under which I want to capture the response over here in Pabbly Connect. So here I've already shown you that I have my folder with the name video scripts. And now here I'm going to select the folder as video scripts. So here after selecting the folder, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I need to upload a new file under the specific folder of my Google Drive so that I can capture the response over here in Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here before uploading a new file in your Google Drive folder, you need to perform another very important step, that is you need to make this folder shareable to anyone with the link so that after capturing the response, automatically that file link should be shareable or accessible to anyone with the link. Alright, so for that what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this folder name, and from here we are going to click on this share, and under this share I'm going to select share again, and here under this dialog box you need to update this general access. So here you can see currently the general access is restricted. So here I'm going to update this general access to anyone with the link, and here after updating the general access I'm going to click on this done, and you are done with this. Alright, so now after updating the access over here, we are going to upload a new file in our Google Drive under the specific folder. So I'm going to upload a new file over here. So this is a random video script that I'm uploading over here in a PDF format, and now here you can see I have successfully uploaded a new file over here. So let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a web view link, web content link of the file, and some other details. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So here let me tell you that Google Drive is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new responses within 10 minutes. And here if you wish to set the trigger time, then you need to click on the three dots, and from here you need to select set trigger time. And here under the set trigger time, you can select the trigger time as per your need from this drop down menu. So here you can select the minimum trigger time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. Alright, so here after setting the trigger time, you need to click on the save, and we are done. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new file detail through Google Drive, then automatically I want to give this file to OpenAI to optimize the video script. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step I'm going to select my action event as extract content from PDF or image, so that by selecting this particular action event, it is going to read the video script from the document, that means the PDF, and after that automatically it is going to optimize that script, or you can say that content. So for that I'm going to use this particular action event, and now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So if following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key button, and then I'm going to give a name to my keys such as video scripts, and then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on this save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the OpenAI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the existing models over here. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4o mini. You can select the model as per your need, and then here is asking me to enter the image or the PDF URL. So here I need to enter the PDF URL from which I want to extract the content and optimize the video script. So it says enter the image or the PDF URL here. Supported file types are these. and ensure that the URLs are publicly accessible and downloadable. That means here in this particular field, I need to enter a publicly accessible link for my PDF. So now here, instead of entering the PDF URL manually, I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new file through Google Drive, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the PDF URL, I'm going to map the web content link of my PDF, and then here is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to give me a proper optimized video script from document. So here I need to enter the prompt that I want to give to AI to properly optimize my video script added in my PDF. Alright, so I'm going to add a relevant prompt over here. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI to optimize my video script. Alright, so now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated where we have received the entire script optimized through OpenAI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here after optimizing the video script through OpenAI, I want to add the script optimized in my Google Docs as a new document. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Docs. So Google Docs is an online word processor that lets you create, edit and share documents from any device with internet access. So here in my Google Docs action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a blank document, because firstly I need to create a blank document in my Google Docs account. And now here after selecting my action event, I'm going to connect my Google Docs with Pabbly Connect by simply clicking on this connect. And again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Docs account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the document name. So in this document name field, I need to enter the document name that I want to give to this particular document. So here I'm going to map the document name similar to the file name received in my Google Drive's response. So I'm going to search for the file name over here. So this is the original file name. So I'm going to map it over here. And now after mapping the document name, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a blank document in our Google Docs account with this particular name. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a blank document over here in our Google Docs account. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after creating a blank document in our Google Docs, I want to add the optimized script generated by OpenAI in this particular document. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here. And again, I'm going to select my action application as Google Docs. And this time I'm going to select my action event as append a paragraph to a document. So that after creating a blank document, automatically the optimized video script should be added in my Google Docs. So for that, I'm going to use this particular action event. And now here to connect my Google Docs with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. This time to build this connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection because I've already connected my Google Docs account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. So I'm going to select the existing connection and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the document. So it says choose or map your document from here. So here instead of selecting the document from this drop down menu, I'm going to map this document ID over here. So for that, I'm going to turn on this map button and then I'm going to remove this previously existing document ID. And now after removing the document ID, I'm going to refresh the fields. And now after refreshing the fields, I'm going to map this document ID from the response that I received in my previous Google Docs action step. So I'm going to search for the document ID over here. So this is the document ID. And now after entering the document ID, it is asking me to enter the inserted text. So in this inserted text field, I need to enter the text that I want to add in this particular document. So I'm going to map the optimized script generated by OpenAI. So I'm going to map that particular script. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the optimized script in my Google Docs. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added the optimized video script generated by OpenAI in our Google Docs. So with this, we have successfully set up an entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Google Drive and an action as OpenAI and Google Docs twice. So that whenever we're going to upload a new video script file in our Google Drive under a specific folder, then automatically that file is going to be shared to OpenAI, and OpenAI is going to generate an optimized video script from that. And after generating the optimized video script, automatically it is going to create a blank document in our Google Docs account first, and after creating a blank document, automatically the optimized video script is going to be added in that particular Google Doc. Alright, so these were the steps to how to optimize video scripts with AI agents. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now, if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.